Hi, hello, my dear students. Welcome back to physics class. Now, in this session, let us we solve some numerical problems on chapter oscillations. So now, first we shall discuss about list of formulas. So in case of simple harmonic motion, the displacement of particle executing in SHM is y is equal to a sine omega t, or y equals a x equals a cos omega t. So here y and x are the displacement of particle executing in simple harmonic motion. A is amplitude. A is the amplitude of the displacement. Then omega is the angular frequency. T is the time period. But here omega t is the pace of the motion. Clear? But we know that angular frequency omega equals formula 2 pi divided by t. So angular frequency in terms of time period is omega is equal to 2 pi divided by t. So our omega equals 2 pi f. So in case of frequency become omega is equal to 2 pi s. So this is a expression for displacement of particle executing in simple harmonic motion. Clear? Displacement formula na y variable ಇಂದನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ x ಇಂದನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So y is equal to a sin omega t or x is equal to a cos omega t. Clear? Next formula, the velocity of the particle executing in simple harmonic motion is v equals omega a into cos omega t. So this is the expression for velocity of the particle executing in SHM. Then v equals omega into root of a square minus y square. In terms of cosine function in the express ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ formula v is equal to omega a cos omega t. Same velocity formula na in terms of displacement with amplitude ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು v is equal to omega into root of a square minus y square ಇಂದ express ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Clear? But here the velocity of particle executing in case of simple harmonic motion, velocity is maximum at mean position and minimum at extreme position. So maximum velocity of particle is maximum velocity of particle executing in SHM is v maxima equals omega into a. Minimum velocity means v maxima is equal to 0. So at mean position v maxima is equal to omega a. At extreme position v is equal to 0. So this is a expression for maximum velocity of particle executing in SHM. Clear? Next formula, the acceleration of the particle executing in simple harmonic motion is a equals minus omega square into a sin omega t. So this is a sinusoidal function of acceleration of particle formula. A is equal to minus omega square a sin omega t. Clear? So same acceleration formula we can express in terms of amplitude become. So here a equals minus omega square into pi. So where omega means angular frequency, y is nothing but displacement of the particle. Clear? Then maximum acceleration is a maxima. So here acceleration is minimum at mean position, maximum at extreme position. So maximum acceleration a maxima equals formula omega square minus omega square into a, because y is equal to a. Amplitude is a displacement of particle. So y is equal to a. Then a maxima is equal to minus omega square into a. So this is the expression for maximum acceleration of particle executing in SHM. SHM is simple harmonic motion. Clear? Next formula, kinetic energy of particle executing in SHM. Kinetic energy means KE or EK equals formula of m omega square a square cos square omega t. So this is the expression for kinetic energy of particle executing in simple harmonic motion. But here m is the mass of particle, omega is the angular frequency, a is the amplitude, and cos omega t is cos omega t. Omega t is the phase of the motion. Clear? So in cosine function, kinetic energy we can express as of m omega square a square cos square omega t. Same kinetic formula we can express in terms of displacement becomes. So here kinetic energy equals of m omega square into a square minus y square. So this is the expression for kinetic energy of particle in terms of displacement with amplitude. Y is the displacement of particle, A is the amplitude. Clear? Next one, the potential energy of the particle executing in simple harmonic motion is. Fifth formula, potential energy. Potential energy EP equals of m omega square a square sin square omega t. So this is the expression for potential energy of particle executing in SHM. Same formula we can express in terms of displacement becomes EP equals of m omega square into y square. So this is the expression for potential energy of particle executing in SHM. But potential energy is minimum at mean position, maximum at extreme position. So at extreme position, so EP is equal to formula of m omega square into a square. So this is the expression for potential energy of particle executing in SHM in case of extreme position. Clear? Minimum at mean position, maximum at extreme position. Clear? But in kinetic energy is minimum at extreme position, maximum at mean position. Clear? Next formula, total energy of the particle. Total energy of the particle executing in SHM is E equals of m omega square into a square. Our total energy means general formula. Total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy. Then energy remains constant at extreme position as well as mean position. So energy equals formula of m omega square into a square. So this is the expression for total energy of the particle executing in simple harmonic motion. Next formula, period of oscillation. Time period of oscillations of time period of oscillations of a loaded spring. Loaded spring T equals formula 2 pi into root of m by k, where m is the mass of oscillating particle, k is nothing but constant, proportionality constant, spring constant, then 2 pi is nothing but constant term. So time period of oscillations of a loaded spring means T is equal to formula 2 pi into root of m divided by k. Then frequency of loaded spring means F is equal to formula 1 over 2 pi into root of k by m. So this is the expression for frequency of oscillations of a loaded spring. Clear? Next formula, time period of oscillations of simple pendulum. Period of oscillations of a simple pendulum. T equals formula 2 pi into root of L by G. So this is the expression for time period of simple pendulum. So here L is the length of the pendulum, G is the acceleration due to gravity. So second pendulum is a pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds is known as a second pendulum. Clear? Then calculate the length of pendulum second pendulum anta kelare. So here L is equal to squaring on both sides madare. So here L is equal to T square G by 4 pi square. Squaring on both sides ಮಾಡಿ calculate length of pendulum ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ L is equal to G into here T ಅನ್ನೋದು T square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ by 2 pi ಅನ್ನೋದು 4 pi square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೆಂಡುಲಮ್. ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೆಂಡುಲಮ್. ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೆಂಡುಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಟೈಮ್ ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ 2 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 4 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ. Frequency of oscillations of simple pendulum means F is equal to formula 1 over 2 pi into root of G by L. G divided by L. So this is expression for frequency of oscillations of simple pendulum. Clear? But omega is nothing but angular velocity or angular frequency is nothing but omega is equal to root of k divided by m, or omega is equal to 2 pi f, or omega is equal to 2 pi divided by t. So calculate the angular frequency or velocity in terms of spring constant and mass of the particle ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಆಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಆಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಆಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೊ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬೇಸ್. Now let us will solve numerical problem. So here is the first problem. The displacement y of an oscillating particle varies with time t according to the equation y equals 2 sin 0.5 t, where y is in meter and t in second. Find part A, the amplitude of oscillation, part B, time period of oscillation, part C, maximum velocity of particle, and D, maximum acceleration of particle. First I can write given solution. Given so the displacement of particle varies with the time. So here displacement equation y equals 2 sin 0.5 t. Displacement of particle executing in simple harmonic motion equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. y is equal to 2 sin 0.5 into t. Clear. So first case, part A, calculate the amplitude of oscillation. Amplitude means A is equal to question mark. Then part B, time period of oscillation, t is equal to question mark. Then part C, maximum velocity of particle means V maxima equals question mark. Then part D, maximum acceleration, A maxima is equal to question mark. So this is the given data. Clear. So but here y is equal to solution, y is equal to 2 sin 0.5 pi t. So this is in the form of y is equal to a sin omega t. So equation y is equal, displacement equation y is equal to 2 sin 0.5 t ಇದೆ. So this is in the form of y is equal to a sin omega t. So this is a general expression for displacement of particle executing in simple harmonic motion. Clear. So now comparing the terms, so a is equal to 2, then omega equals 0.5 t. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ 0.5 t. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಸಿಲೇಷನ್. ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 meter. So this is answer, amplitude of oscillation of particle executing in simple harmonic motion. Clear. Part B, time period means, so here omega, so angular frequency means omega is equal to 2 pi divided by t. Then t is equal to, for cross multiplication, t is equal to 2 pi divided by omega. But here t equals 2 pi divided by omega means value 0.5 pi, 0.5 pi. So here pi gets cancelled. 2 divided by 0.5 becomes 4 seconds. So this is a time period of oscillation. Clear. Then part C, maximum velocity. Part C, maximum velocity means V maxima equals formula omega into A. So here omega value 0.5 pi into amplitude value 2. So again we are getting V maxima equals, simplify all these things, we are getting 3.4 meter per second. So this is the maximum velocity of particle executing in SHM. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0.5 into pi ಅಂದರೆ 3.14 into 2. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we are getting 3.14 meter per second. So this is the maximum velocity of particle executing in SHM. Clear? Then part D, maximum acceleration. Maximum acceleration means A maxima equals formula omega square into A. So here omega value 0.5 pi the whole square into amplitude value 2. So here 0.5 the whole square into pi square into 2. 0.5 the whole square becomes 0.25 into pi square becomes pi value 3.14. So 3.14 the whole square becomes 9.8596 into 2. Simplify this, we are getting 4.9298 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So here 4.9 meter per second square. A maxima equals. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 298 ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 5 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ 9 ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9ಗೆ 1 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 4.9 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ acceleration of a particle executing in simple harmonic motion or oscillatory motion. Clear?